Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today's video is unboxing February's Books That Matter box. If you want to see what's in here, then keep watching. First of all, hello to everybody. If you are new to my channel, I predominantly do crochet on this channel, but I did start a booktube channel, but it was just a pain having like two YouTube channels, so I've kind of consolidated everything onto this one channel. If you can hear banging, it's the builders. Please, just like, it's awful. Yeah, so I can consolidated everything onto this one channel so it's easier. So welcome if you are new. My name's Alexandra. I run Crochet Beginners Group over on Facebook, and we also have a book club. So I have started to do some bookish videos for our book club. First of all, do you like my jumper? It says avid read. Let me go a bit closer. I'm very conscious of sticking my boobs right in your face, which nobody wants, do they? Let's be honest. I designed it myself and got it printed. I really like it. Anyway, on to the subject in hand, which is Books That Matter. So if you're not aware of Books That Matter, it is a monthly subscription box. It is quite based on sort of feminism. It's only, I think it's like £12 a month. It's not expensive, that's why I subscribe to it, because it is brilliant. For the price you get a book and a few goodies. And I think this month's theme, if I can remember, was something to do with Brexit, but I think it's like tongue-in-cheek to do with Brexit. So anyway, without further ado, let's get going. So it has the usual sticker. Let's have a look. Sorry, I'm gonna have to turn my back to you. Do apologise. So February, Brexit thriller. That's what it was on. February's theme is Brexit thriller, and we have one that we have chose as a very relevant and enlightening theme, given that the impending outcome of the Brexit debacle is due to commence next month. Cannot wait. So let's start off, we'll go with the book. So the book is called Darling, and it is by Rachel Edwards, and it is a fast moving story about love, race and jealousy. So shall I read the bit on the back? I knew she was trouble from the moment I saw her. I felt it as she stood in the doorway that day. Disaster. Not just because she was so different, that skin and that hair as different from me as it's possible to be. There was something wrong about her. Wrong for us. It was never going to work. Now she is dead and I am left to love him. She is dead and it is all my fault. This sounds right up my street. I cannot wait to get reading that. I was really worried that it was going to be something to do with Brexit, because Brexit's just like boring. No offence to any of you political people out there, but it really is like doing my head in. So that's the book. Let's see what else. Oh, there is a little mirror with Darling. Oh, is that going to focus? No, get off my face. With Darling on. It's just a little mirror. And then we have, oh, this is pretty. This is right up my street. So it is a little necklace, and if you can see, it's it's not going to do it. It keeps focusing on me. Don't focus on me. It's a little hibiscus flower. So that is really, really pretty. And it says, there's a quote on the card that says, love them all, love them hard, love them harder when you are blended like us. Ooh. And then we have a bookmark. So this is why I love Books That Matter, because like I don't think I would have picked this book up actually, and it kind of pushes you to read different books that you wouldn't normally read, so I can't wait to get started on this. So there you go, that is the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Bit random, bit noisy, really sorry, can't do a lot about that at the moment. Hopefully they will be finished soon. Yeah, so if you're interested in joining our book club, I will leave the link down below in the description box. We have a read along each month, which this month I changed to 4 books and it has been a roaring success. So check us out. You don't have to be a member of Crochet Beginners Group to join a book club. There's over 900 people on there already. So come and join the book party. And that's it for this unboxing video, and I shall see you all soon. Take care, happy reading.